In this video, we will design Star Network. In this network, we connect 5 devices with a hub and assign an IP to each device in the network. Pick up 5 PC. Now pick up a hub. Connect each PC with the hub. Click on the PC. Click on the desktop icon. Now assign a sample IP of 1.1.1.1 and a default gateway of 1.0.0.1. The gateway in a network is the same, but the host part of the IP change for every device. When assigning of IP is completed, then check by sending a message from one device to another. The hub sends the message to all the devices connected to it, but the message will be delivered to the specific device only.